If you're wondering why I say that, let's go take a look. So I got the car all covered up nicely, and I was doing a little welding on the front. So one of the things I did was I emptied the gas tank. I put some water in it just to cut down on fumes. And you guys can guess where this is going. Put a welding blanket over it, but didn't help. So gas tank exploded. So boom. You can see how it blew out. Probably the fact that I had a large volume in there helped. Probably saved my life. So no shrapnel was thrown. Just a nice big bubble tank. So we're going to need a new one. Just a reminder to be really careful out there. From now on, I'm taking the tank out anytime I'm doing welding. So that's the lesson I've learned. Thought I could just get away with, doing the normal things that people do when the tank's still in the car, but it didn't work. So at any rate, you can see the damage. It's been relatively localized. You can see that the tank is ballooned up like a ball, like it's supposed to, in such a situation, rather than throw shrapnel everywhere. And then it blew out at a weak point on the bottom. So anyway, I got some cleanup to do. I gotta, air out the garage, get all of the gas fumes out before I can do anything else. So yeah, that's big bada boom. I was standing right next to it when it lit up, so my hearing is a little dulled right about now. My ears are ringing, but I'm okay. I'm safe. I didn't get any shrapnel. I'm not hurt at all, other than my ears. So again, a reminder, guys, be really safe. Just remember that even when you take a lot of so-called precautions, it may not work out, and in this case it didn't. But the safety features of this gas tank probably saved my life. So when you guys are working out there and you're working with fuel in the area and you're doing some welding, just make dang sure that you are safe. So as I said before, we're going to take the tank out. We'll leave it out while we finish up all the welding on the car. So we won't be driving it anywhere. But yeah. So yeah, you take the good with the bad. I don't feel stupid. I feel like I tried to take a lot of the proper steps in order to avoid a situation like this, and then it just happened. Probably missed a step, probably didn't do enough, probably didn't get all the fuel out. You take what you can from this. However, I'm moving on. I don't sit around and worry about things when things happen. I don't sit there and mope. So we're going to get back at it. Obviously, I can't do any welding in the garage because I got to get all the fumes out because I don't want another problem. So once the gas fumes are gone, we can get back at it. But I'm doing some 3D printing, so, printing a new rear end and stuff like that. Just so we'll have it around and we can try new different parts and stuff like that, because that's kind of what this project is all about. Anyway, thanks again for watching, guys. Be safe out there, and subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.